This video is about proportions. So let's start off with a word problem. We have in a school there's 20 students to every teacher. So there's different ways that I can write this or represent this statement. I can write it as a fraction. So 20 students to every teacher. I have 20 students to one teacher. I can write it as a ratio. So 20 students to one teacher. I can also write it with the word to. So 20 to 1. So there's different ways that we can represent proportions, and proportions are when we have two equivalent fractions. So in general, something like A over B equals C over D, or I could have it as equivalent ratios. A to B is equal to C to D, or with words as well. So A to B equals C to D. Okay, so let's look at how we solve for missing values in a proportion. So if I want to solve for x, I have 20 over 50 is equal to 30 over x. The easiest way to solve these types of problems is to cross multiply. So what I want to do is multiply 20 times x and set that equal to 50 times 30. So 20 times x will be 20x is equal to 50 times 30 is 1500. Okay, to finish solving for x, I divide both sides by 20. And then I can cancel some zeros there, so I have x is equal to 150 divided by 2, so x is equal to 75. Okay, let's see another example. So written in ratio form, I have 6 to 15 is equal to x to 25. Again, if I want to set it up as fractions and do my cross multiplication, I could do that too, because 6 to 15 is the same thing as 6 over 15 is equal to x over 25. So then I can cross multiply. 6 times 25 will be equal to 15 times x. So 6 times 25 is 150 equal to 15x. Divide both sides by 15. So I get 150 divided by 15 is 10 is equal to x. Okay, and the last one, a quick word problem. So I have that it takes 3 cups of flour to make 9 batches of cookies, and I want to figure out how many batches of cookies can I make with 2 cups of flour. So this is a proportion type of question. So how I'm going to set it up is have a fraction equal to a fraction. So I'm going to have cups over batches equal to cups over batches. Okay, so with my first fraction here, I have 3 cups of flour to 9 batches of cookies, so it's going to be 3 over 9, and I'm going to set that equal to 2 cups over, I'm trying to figure out how many batches, so over x. And again, I have a fraction equal to a fraction, so I should cross multiply to solve for x. So I'll have 3x is equal to 18. So I divide both sides by 3. So I get x is equal to 6 batches. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck with the assignments.